What's up, guys? We're about to start my 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 5.2 Magnum 4x4. I'm gonna roll this window down so you guys can hear. That should be good. Let's see how many miles we have on this. 204, 771. Oil pressure. Let it run for a minute. Exhaust leak. Or an intake leak. Let it run for a minute. Grab something to check on that real quick. That's the custom exhaust I made. So give me 1 second, guys. I think it's the exhaust collector down there. That's where it sounds like it's coming from. Looks like I forgot to put the belt back on when I started it, so we are gonna do that then in a minute. Alright, guys. Just got the belt back on, and I'm pretty sure it's from that exhaust manifold pipe where it connects to the downpipe there. Right there. So we're gonna start up again in a minute. Just gonna make sure everything's good and tight, good and tight. All right, guys, I got the belt back on. 204, 171. Power steering fluid. I know we have some over here. The pumps are whining. Better hurry up and do that real quick. Alright, just poured some in there. I don't know if you can hear me. But we'll check it real quick. Now, there's nothing even on the stick. Supposed to be the flow line right there. A little bit frothy. Looks good. Quarter tank of gas. Just coming up the level. Other than that, it doesn't run bad.